Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Quirky Cmd is the right tool and you have V1, 2 or later installed. Run the Package Manager command now. Once done, initialize integration with Quirky in it so auto-completion and aliases work. Create a working directory and a test file called demo.txt to follow along. Make sure permissions allow execution. These first actions get you into a flow state quickly, so subsequent commands behave predictably, and you avoid permission or path issues later. You now drive the command, run Quirky process demo. TXT mode fast threads 4 to produce a baseline result and observe timing. Once you have that output, tweak behavior using Quirky config set KEY equals value to save preferences. This avoids repeating flags. When executing multi-step flows, chain with AND so a failed step halts the chain. Check progress with Quirky status. If you need to adjust concurrency, change threads and rerun to compare performance numbers and error logs. You finish by validating results. Run Quirky verify demo, TXT. Out and confirm the exit code is 0, that ensures integrity. Then archive with Quirky archive demo, TXT. Out compress 0. 5 to save space while preserving metadata. Make sure your CI or cron job uses the same config file to reproduce outcomes. If something goes wrong, run Quirky diagnose verbose to collect a detailed trace, then inspect the logs in / Quirky/logs. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals permission, dependency, or path issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.